everybody, I'm Brittany.
And I'm Dustin, and we're with Frontier Basement Systems.
Yes, so we have masks.
I feel like I'm ready for a Mortal Kombat video.
It's really weird, and I'm
is.
having to talk a little louder.
Yeah. So all of our employees have masks. They're all available, and we want to let you know that we are still doing, no contact appointments. We're going to be wearing masks anytime we're at Lowe's, Home Depot, or any other, public place getting fuel or anything like that, because we know that it's scary for a lot of people. So we want to make sure that everybody out there feels safe with us, with our company, and to really make sure that, we're doing the right things. I mean, we're doing the right things together as a family and a community. So, let us know if you need some help out there. We're still doing those no contact appointments. We can still help you fix your concrete. This mask is driving me crazy.
He's still learning. He'll be all right.
Yeah. So we're still doing no contact appointments. We'd be happy to take a look at your concrete, your crawl space, your basement, or your foundation. So give us a call, 866-682-4420, or
1 too much H2O.
see you later.
Bye.